Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I want to welcome you back to your weekly devotional week 41. Okay, so let's get this done. And it is, where's my pointer? Whoops, a daisy. What's your focus? If you've never walked through a model home, you can tell it's been professionally staged. The furniture and decor are perfectly arranged in relation to each room's focal point. There is no confusing the purpose for each space, and the flow from room to room is natural and smooth. Similarly, when you begin each day focusing your thoughts on God's goodness and aligning your day according to His will, your purpose becomes fixed on the solid foundation of His love. You are then able to flow from moment to moment, task to task, with a supernatural ease and peace throughout your day. Regardless of what happens, you keep your eyes on Jesus. Lord, I just want to see you. Please block out all things that are not of me and help me focus on your will, your way, and your truth for this day. I want to thank you all for watching. Please be kind, be caring, be positive, be blessed, and I will see you all next week for day 42. Bye-bye for now.